guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Jisulife Fan E3 Error. How do you fix it? So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So how do you fix this issue here on your Jisulife Fan? Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to try resetting the actual fan. So how do you do this? So first things first is you want to go ahead and get your Jisulife Fan here, and you want to make sure that you turn this off. So usually just press the power button here and that will turn that off. Now what we need to do is we need to make sure that it's turned off, and you want to go ahead and use the power button here, and instead of just pressing it for a few seconds or just basically pressing it to turn it off, what you need to do is you need to press and hold this for 10 to 15 seconds. Now make sure it's turned off when you're doing this, because this is the way for you to reset it. But after 10 to 15 seconds here, this will actually reset your fan, and that should remove the E3 error that you're currently seeing. Now, if that's not the case and you're still seeing the error after resetting it, well, the best next thing that you can do here to solve this issue is to basically contact Jisulife support. Now, to contact them, you could go to their official website, which is jisulife.com, and you could go to the support page here, or support tab. And in here, when you scroll down a bit here, you should see these contact us option. Now you could contact them via email or call them on the following number. And also, if you want to contact them via Facebook group, you go and do that as well. But you could use either email or hotline here. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Info. Thank you for watching.